So this day is most important for us for discussing the issues faced by Western Ghats as well as the potentiality of Western Ghats. That will be presented by Dr. V.S. Vijayan, sir. He is already in our platform here. We are welcoming you, sir. Vijayan, sir. Then we are also welcoming Sri Sharavanan. He is the Honorary Wildlife Warden of Kadalur district, as well as he is the Director of Aranya Forest and Sanctuary of Pondicherry. And we are also expecting so many dignitaries today. And tomorrow also there will be one presentation by Sri Sharavana Kumar. He's the seismological analyst of the Western Ghats. He is also present here. Sharavana Kumar Irkingla. Hello. His name is there. Okay. So for make a presentation, a detailed presentation on Western Ghats, we welcome Dr. V.S. Vijayan, sir. So later, after 40 minutes time, we will have a break. Then we will come to Sharavana sir also. Apdi pannalavilla sir, Sharavana sir. Okay. So Vijayan sir, now it's your turn for the presentation. I will make you host, sir.
Vanakkam Vijay Kumar sir.
Vijayan sir. Vijayan sir സ്വയം ഒന്ന് സ്പോട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വിജയൻ സാർ ഇപ്പോൾ ഹോസ്റ്റ് ആണ്.
Vijayan sir, vanakkam.
വിജയൻ സാറിന് അതൊന്ന് സ്പോട്ട്ലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ശരവണ സാർ ഒരു ടൈം എടുത്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വിജയൻ സാറിലേക്ക് വരാം. ശരവണ സാർ.
യെസ്.
ശരവണ സാർ ഒരു 8 to 10 minutes ടൈം. അപ്പൊ ഇതിൽ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക് കട്ട് ആവും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് മറുപടി വിജയൻ സാർ പറയலாம்.
Okay, then thanks a lot. I don't want much time also. I want to only see what the Vijayan sir teach only. Because today is a very special day. It is called the Western Ghats Day. Why we want to celebrate the Western Ghats Day? That way we want today's discussion. It's most important. Fundamentally, our people talking to words. Andamam Pindamum Ondru. That means in the world and body will be each other same. Because Andam means world, Pindam means our body. Today, for the last 2 years, for corona problem we facing on, and blood in Kerala everywhere. 2-3 years back, same thing happening, and now also this year also happening. This is all what we call climate changing. Today also, last 2-3 days, a seminar going on in Italy, Rome. That world all leaders are talking about global warming, but it's not action anything. They already started something, but it's not successfully happening. But we are only living in India, specifically in the Western Ghats, only supporting for our India. That's the most important about Western Ghats. And also we already several times I told this earth belongs to future. That way we all keep it our mind. This is the future of land. We only like hiring just to be living. We want to save whatever is there left over. We have to protection for give for our future. Right now is very very difficult things going on in India. many things, especially what is the leftover in Western Ghats. Very little bit only is there. We have to, again, I have to say, we have to protection. What is the problem with our global warming? What is it? We are only facing. Right now, also ENA given for some report. I'm very shocked that report. 20 years back, and old people who were asking, the natural climatics, their life 1 or 2 times only saw that. But today, our young generation, yearly, yearly 1 or 2 they saw that. Before only lifetime 1 or 2, but now for yearly natural climatic they saw that yearly 2. Example everywhere, America happening, China happening, Australia happening, India happening. They all continue saw that maybe drought or maybe blooded or a cyclone, many things they're facing on. But our world people asking only lifetime once only. But whenever I heard about my papa say that they saw that only one in a 1980, 1964, I think I'm not born. That is a big cyclone. It is called like a tsunami in Tamil Nadu. Rameswaram entire went inside the seashore, Dhanushkodi. But after we saw that long back only, we know that 2005 only everybody knows that. But that is that kind of things happening. But now every day happening. Why? This is all only for a man-made problem only. Again, we say that very strongly. That's the report also. ENA say that is a man-made problem due to we are also population increase. This okay, population increase is always happening. But another way, what kind of increase happening? In here, one more report also last year passed in India. The wildlife given for one single person, how many percentage of forest is there? Example in India, one person only 26 trees is there in India. Wildlife is very low actually. One person only 26 is not enough. We want to more and more need. That way we several areas. Mr. Guru Ayyappan is a founder of South India Tree Planters Committee. He always say that we are also pushing to government at least minimum 35% of forest we have to cover or you have to protection whatever is there. Even I'm last year also I'm asking how many percent of forest in Kerala. We are in Tamil Nadu and everybody say that maybe 70%, 30%, 50% like that say. But originally maybe Vijayan sir will be explaining, maybe another else also explaining. Only 4% forest is there in Kerala. But another leftover all like a private forest, not forest, maybe coffee estate, tea estate, rubber estate. This is a covering for green, but only 4% is leftover in the forest. That's not enough for our population. We need more green cover for our future. That way, today we called every November 1st will be Western Ghats Day. Why we want to say before also at the beginning I say this is the Indian most important of Western Ghats. Not only India, South Asia also most important for Western Ghats. Western Ghats is a tropical area as a living forest. The forest is most biodiversity rich in world. Today is almost a lot of things going on. We have to aware to people to given more awareness to save that. This is the beginning my talking. Maybe later on the discussion more and more. Thank you for this opportunity. We wait for Vijayan sir or any other people want to write questions or like that. We ready to face. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for your for the great intro talk on Western Ghats, the importance of Western Ghats. So today, what happens is that we are all speaking, but the end result is nothing. So, as you rightly told, there are so many people to speak, but in reality, it is not coming. So we have to plan some action-based program, and we have to execute it to our level best. That is the crux of the program. So we will focus on that. For that, we need.
I'll agree that.
Yes, sir. So we will plan accordingly so that we will go ahead with the why we need to protect Western Ghats. Not simply planting trees, mere trees. So we have to do a lot for the protection of Western Ghats. This is for the whole globe, that as Saravanan sir told. So Dr. V.S. Vijayan will be leading our presentation for that. Just before that, we will just cut and rejoin so that he can take 40 minutes full session for that. Isn't sir? Vijayan sir, is it okay, sir? അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാല്ലേ? ഒരു 40 മിനിറ്റ് സെഷൻ സാറിന് വിജയൻ സാറിന് എടുക്കത്തക്ക രീതിയിൽ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടൊന്ന് റീജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാം. നമുക്ക് 40 മിനിറ്റ് സെഷന്റെ സൂം ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്. അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാലോ സാർ? വിജയൻ സാർ, അപ്പൊ ഒന്ന് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ഒന്ന് റീജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാം.